I'm going to show you real quick how to set up some of the parent restrictions on an iPad. First of all, go into your settings. It looks like this right here, the gear icon. It may be in a different place than I have mine. Once you're in settings, go to General. Then you can scroll on the right-hand side until you find Restrictions. Enable restrictions. Now, the first time that you do this, you'll have to put in a passcode. You'll have to do it twice, actually, and make sure that you remember this passcode, because if you aren't able to remember it, we have to completely wipe the device. From here, there's these toggle switches. Let's say, for example, you don't want the camera to be used on this iPad. You can just switch this off, and you can turn off FaceTime. You can turn off basically whatever you want. Let's say I don't want in-app purchases being made, so I can turn that off. So you just go through here and toggle any switch you like. Also, when you scroll down, you can allow content. Make sure you're allowing content for the United States. You can then switch things off so that there aren't even options to see explicit podcast, music, news, or iTunes media. You can do the same with movies. You can allow, so let's say I don't want anything to write there, so I can keep some enabled and some restricted. I want books. I don't want explicit sexual content. TV shows. Let's go to TV 14. And you just go through any of these options. Website. And then you can basically just set any of these settings here. I wouldn't mess with the privacy settings too much. We use those quite a bit. But other than that, you can go through and really set this however you'd like. Then when you're done, basically you go back out and those settings take place immediately. However, if you want to turn restrictions off temporarily, go back into restrictions, enter your passcode, and you can change any of those that you want. If you want to disable restrictions completely, put in your passcode again. They're disabled. I think that's it. Hope that helps.